to do a little review about my experience with this amazing product that creates ebooks and reports in less than 60 seconds to 5 minutes. If you're using the AI features with Scribble, which is coming out soon, and I already have it. It's not access to the people out there yet, but it will be soon by my CEO, Adil. He's actually preparing the software right now, and the early birds already are in, which I'm one of them. I'm already using the AI tools, and the features are great. I mean, it has come a long way. Scribble is hot. Scribble is the easiest way that you can make ebooks. If you're an author or writer, you love to write children's books, you like to write novels, you like to write about whatever your niche is, and this is a way to go because this is instantly prepared for you. You got all of these lots of hot templates that you can use, 300 styles of layouts, unlimited pages. This is a content creator that's auto content writer that will write it for you, and you don't have to do much looking around or going into chat GPT. This amazing simple software Scribble, $19.99. It is today. $67 is usually the discounted cost for you to get it. The regular price is $197, but now you can get it for $19.99. Hurry up! Limited time offer is all done for you. So to get this access, to get everything that you need, you'll be amazed with what's inside Scribble. I will actually make another video on the background of how you can get access to this amazing software. It's the cost of a dinner, and it's totally worth for you to have. So if you're an author or writer, go ahead and grab yours today. Recommend it. I've been with this product for at least 4 years, and my business is growing. I'm not struggling making ebooks anymore. You can sell your ebooks and make it here and sell it to clients that need ebooks, and you get a commercial license. You have an auto content writer inside of it. You get an agency website where clients can actually use your Scribble when they sign in after you. Easy to use, 15 niche categories. There's much more. I can't explain it to you, but get excited because this is really the best way you can get Scribble right now, dirt cheap. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
The ultimate guide to creating your first ebook, a new frontier for authors and writers. Are you an author or writer looking to expand your creative horizons and reach a broader audience? The digital age has opened up a world of opportunities, and creating an ebook is one of the most exciting ways to share your ideas, stories, and expertise with the world. Whether you're an established author or just starting out, creating an ebook can help you build your brand, connect with readers, and even generate a steady stream of income. Why create an ebook? Expand your audience. Unlike traditional print books, ebooks can be distributed globally in an instant. This means your work can reach readers in different countries and languages without the logistical constraints of shipping and inventory. Cost-effective publishing. Traditional publishing often involves high costs, including printing, storage, and distribution. Ebooks eliminate these expenses, allowing you to publish your work with minimal financial investment. This makes it easier for new writers to get their work into the hands of readers. Creative control. When you publish an ebook, you have full control over your content, cover design, pricing, and marketing strategy. This creative freedom allows you to craft your work exactly how you envision it and ensures your book remains true to your voice and style. Build a passive income stream. Ebooks can provide a steady stream of passive income. Once your ebook is published, it can continue to sell over time with little to no ongoing effort, providing you with a recurring source of revenue. Showcase your expertise. If you're an expert in a specific field, writing an ebook allows you to share your knowledge and establish yourself as a thought leader. It's an excellent way to build credibility and attract a dedicated audience interested in your niche. Steps to create your ebook. Choose a compelling topic. Start with an idea that excites you and has the potential to engage your target audience. Whether it's a gripping novel, a practical guide, or an insightful analysis, make sure your topic is something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Outline your content. Plan the structure of your ebook. Outline your chapters and key points to ensure a logical flow of information. This step will help you stay organized and focused as you write. Write and edit. Begin writing your ebook, keeping your audience in mind. After completing the first draft, revise and edit to enhance clarity, coherence, and style. Consider hiring a professional editor to polish your manuscript. Design a professional cover. Your ebook cover is the first thing potential readers will see, so make it eye-catching and professional. A great cover can significantly impact your book's sales. You can use design tools like Canva or hire a professional designer to create a cover that reflects the essence of your book. Format for different platforms. Ensure your ebook is formatted correctly for various platforms such as Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, and Google Play Books. Different platforms have specific formatting requirements, so it's essential to make your ebook compatible with each. Publish and promote. Choose a publishing platform that aligns with your goals. Once published, promote your ebook through social media, email newsletters, author websites, and other marketing channels. Consider offering a free chapter or discounted launch price to attract early readers and generate buzz. Tips for success. Engage with your readers. Building a relationship with your readers is crucial for long-term success. Engage with them through social media, email newsletters, and even by hosting virtual events. Respond to feedback and create a community around your work. Keep learning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so stay informed about the latest trends in ebook publishing, marketing strategies, and reader preferences. This knowledge will help you adapt and stay ahead in the competitive market. Leverage data and analytics. Use the data provided by ebook platforms to understand how your book is performing. Pay attention to which chapters readers engage with the most, where your sales are coming from, and other insights that can help you refine your marketing strategy and content. Final thoughts. Creating an ebook is a powerful way for authors and writers to share their work with a global audience, build their brand, and create a sustainable income stream. With the right strategy and a passion for storytelling, you can successfully launch your ebook and make a significant impact in the literary world. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of ebook creation and unleash your creativity today. By taking these steps and following these tips, you can embark on a rewarding journey of ebook creation that not only enhances your writing career but also opens up new opportunities for growth and success. Happy writing!